Hello everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. We'll do a quick video walk-around tour, show you the vehicle and some of the features. And if you have any questions or would like to learn anything else, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com. Blind spot assist. We've got a white exterior and a black interior. Got heated seats, both driver and passenger, and power memory seats here on the driver's side. Steering wheel. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 7,405. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our display loading up. Below that we have our climate controls here. And we also have some buttons here to access some of the functions on the display. Below that we've got cup holder and a power supply there. Okay, so we've got our display loaded up here. And here is navigation. And here you can access any media, Bluetooth or USB connection. And our radio here. And backup camera. So it is a touchscreen display. You can control it using the touchscreen itself. You've also got controls here on your steering wheel. And a touchpad here in the center console as well. Okay, go ahead and hop out. Got our rear seats here. And quick peek back up front. And coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Some new all-weather mats here for you. Lots of storage space. And then at the push of a button here, you can flip down those rear seats if you need. And then easily flip them back up when you have more passengers. And push button to close. So if you have any additional questions, want to learn more about the features, or even set up a test drive of this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300, just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.